Howdy everyone, in this video we'll go over what scanning is, the scanning options you can change, and how to set scanning options for all new websites. You can also check out the links below for articles and other videos. Don't forget you can use the scrubber bar below to jump straight to the content you need. Let's get into it. After you've added pages to your website, scanning those pages is how you get your accessibility results. Your scanner options let you customize how the scan happens. Let's take a look at the scanner options. To access the scanner options for a website, select Websites in the left main menu. Next, select the website you want to update by selecting the Actions icon for that website. On the Edit Website page, select the Scanner Options dropdown. If you don't see the dropdown, that means you don't have the Manage Crawl and Scan settings permission, so you'll need to reach out to your account owner to request it. Let's start with the Viewport Width Scanner option. Changing the viewport width changes the viewport size of the scanner. It's just like when the screen size changes from your desktop to your laptop to your tablet and then to your mobile phone. When the viewport size changes, the accessibility results can change too. So with this setting, you can test different sizes of your website. In fact, you can create the same website multiple times and just change the viewport size setting to be different screen sizes. Now you can schedule regular scans and reports for your desktop, mobile, and any other sized website. For example, the default of 1200 pixels would be a laptop screen size. If I changed it to about 500 pixels, that would be a mobile screen size. Evaluation delay has to do with how long it takes your page to load. The default evaluation delay is 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. This means the scanner waits 1 second after the page loads to evaluate the content. If you have pages that have to load JavaScript content after the page has loaded, increase this so the scanner doesn't evaluate the page with missing content. Scan rate limit is the speed the scanner goes through your website. If your website isn't intended for high traffic, you should select the low speed or manual and make the speed even lower. That said, the default speed of medium works for majority of websites. Blocked host will block third-party widgets or embedded content from your scan. The accessibility of third-party widgets is still important to consider, but it can be helpful to remove these errors from your scan to focus on issues you can control. An example of this would be blocking maps.google.com. This would exclude Google Map content from your scan. Another common example is blocking reCAPTCHA. Adding google.com/reCAPTCHA would remove reCAPTCHA results. Those are all the scan options you can change. But before you go, you can also change the default scan options for all new websites. That way you don't have to update these settings every time you add a website. You'll need the Manage Settings permission, so you might need to contact your account owner if you don't have that. To change the default scan options, select Settings in the left main menu. Next, select the Organization Defaults tab. Now select the Scanner Options dropdown. Any scanner options changed here will be the new default for new websites. You're ready to change your own scanner options.